Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be working on the 3rd gen. We got these drop shackles right here. I ordered them on Amazon. They were like 40 bucks, not bad for the pair. So right now this truck's on a 4.6, but we're going to go down to a 6.8 and try to tuck those 24s that are on Mad Ram right now. Let's see, put the 24s on there. But yeah, I already got it ready and already got it started, so I'll go ahead and show y'all. So first you're gonna want to jack it up and put the frame on jack stands, and then have the jack to support the diff, where we can push it up whenever we put the shackles. You can see here's the stock shackle versus this one. I think it's a 2-inch, so you can see it's quite a bit shorter. Yeah, it's a little bit shorter. But so first we're gonna take this out and on both sides and drop the leaf spring down. All right, guys, as you can see, we got the bottom bolt out of the shackle on both sides. And so now we can go ahead and break this top one loose. All you have to do is get a wrench or a socket on this side, and it should come right out. We'll place the new shackle and then lift up on the axle, and it'll move this up here where the new one will be. So. All right, guys, and there's the 2-inch drop shackles, and then on both sides I'm about to jack up on the diff to make those meet up. Alright, guys, and there it is with the 2-inch drop shackles, and we're gonna do the front in just a minute. I'm gonna be honest, on the rear I thought it'd be lower than this, and that's still with 20s. Hopefully it'll tuck the 24 a little bit, but it didn't really do all I thought it would. I don't know, but we'll see if there's other ways we can go lower on the back.